My friend looks pale. What happened to him? Let's learn 10 words through a story.
Look! The lighthouse is bright! I want to go there!
Bright means full of light.
The lighthouse is on an island!
An island is land surrounded by water.
We're almost there! I'm tired. Look, it's an inn! Excuse me, may we rest here for a while?
Welcome. This is an inn. Travelers can rest and sleep here. An inn is a place where travelers can rest and sleep. I'll make some cookies for you. I need flour. Here you go.
I'm nibbling my cookie. Nibble means taking many small bites.
Chew slowly, Togi. Don't eat too fast.
Chew means to break food into small pieces with your teeth. What's wrong? You look pale. Pale means looking very light because you are scared or sick. The wolf sprinkled strange powder on the cookies.
How did you know?
I need to warn everyone! Never eat it!
Warn means to tell people about danger.
We need the magic potion. The magic potion is in the forest. Let's go to the forest. You found it!
Don't worry, it takes time. 1 hour from now, you'll be fine.
1 hour?
An hour is 60 minutes.
I feel great! We did it! Let's learn more fun words next time. Subscribe!